We all dream of a sparkling clean home, but the reality of scrubbing, wiping, and organizing often feels like a chore. Very few people jump out of bed thrilled to tackle the bathroom or vacuum every nook and cranny. We'd much prefer spending our downtime on enjoyable activities, connecting with family and friends, diving into a great book, or simply relaxing. This desire for convenience is exactly what drove the popularity of robot vacuums. And now we even have self-emptying models for the cleaning tasks that still require a human touch. The good news is there are smarter ways to simplify and speed up the process, including clever methods for tough spots like the inside of your oven. Hi, welcome to Timeless Wisdom. And if your goal is to maintain a tidy home without sacrificing all your free time, you've landed in the right spot. Before we dive into the details, please take a moment to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our practical tips designed to make life easier. The strategies I'm about to share are designed to fundamentally change the way you approach housework. 1. Things to clean every single day. Looking at a list of daily cleaning tasks might seem like too much, especially when you're already juggling so many responsibilities. Maybe you're still working, caring for grandchildren, managing health appointments, or simply trying to enjoy your retirement. But here's the thing, building these small habits into your routine actually reduces stress. You'll sleep better knowing your space is tidy, and you'll feel more relaxed sitting down to enjoy your evening. The trick is making these tasks automatic. Make your bed the moment you get up without even thinking about it. Empty the dishwasher before dirty dishes start piling up in the sink. Yes, it feels like a chore, but it genuinely only takes a few minutes. You can do this. Your daily to-do list. Make your bed first thing in the morning. It sets a positive tone for the entire day. Wipe down and clean all counter surfaces in your kitchen, bathrooms, and laundry area. Empty or load your dishwasher to keep dishes from accumulating. Take out the kitchen garbage, unless it's not full and doesn't have food waste. Then you can skip a day or two. Do a quick evening pickup to put away toys, papers, and other items that have wandered from their proper spots. Give your kitchen counters, dining table, and sink a good wipe down before bed. These simple daily actions prevent small messes from becoming big cleaning projects. If you're finding value in these tips, drop a comment below telling me which daily task you struggle with most. I read every comment and love hearing from you all here at timelesswisdom.2. Weekly cleaning routines. Weekends offer the perfect opportunity to tackle these deeper cleaning tasks. Set aside a couple of hours. The exact amount depends on your home size. Many people find Saturday morning ideal because it lets you enter the weekend feeling organized and comfortable in your space. Plus, you'll still have Sunday free for meal preparation or planning the week ahead without also worrying about cleaning. Your weekly task list. Vacuum and mop all your floors thoroughly. Wipe down major appliances, especially removing fingerprints and smudges from the refrigerator door. Clean any splatters or grease from your kitchen backsplash and microwave interior. Sanitize all counter surfaces in the kitchen, bathrooms, and laundry room. Clean all mirrors until they sparkle. Scrub and disinfect your kitchen sink completely. Thoroughly disinfect toilets, the bowl, seat, sides, tank, and flush handle. Scrub and clean your showers and bathtubs. Wash all your linens, including bed sheets, bath towels, hand towels, dish towels, and bath mats. Check the refrigerator and toss out any expired food items. Sanitize high-touch surfaces, door handles, faucets, light switches, cabinet pulls, keyboards, and remote controls. If keeping track of all these tasks feels overwhelming, technology can help. Several smartphone apps are designed specifically for managing cleaning schedules. Some popular options include Sweepy, which lets you track cleaning sessions and even reward children with points for completing chores. There's also Toady, which turns cleaning into a game with rewards for finishing tasks and guidance on what actually needs attention. Spotless works like a project manager, letting you set up different rooms and create specific task lists for each one. Remember to subscribe to Timeless Wisdom if you haven't already. We post new tips every week to make your life easier. 3. Monthly deep cleaning. Certain areas don't get dirty as quickly, so you can address them roughly every 4 weeks. It helps to choose one specific day each month when you know you'll have extra time for deeper cleaning. Otherwise, months might slip by without you realizing it, and then everything becomes much harder to clean. Consider adding this to your calendar with a reminder alarm so you're mentally prepared. When the day arrives, tasks for every room. Dust all surfaces, including side tables, your television and stand, bookshelves, picture frames, and decorative items. If dust accumulates quickly in your home, you might need to do this every 2 weeks or even weekly. Clean the inside of windows using glass cleaner and a clean cloth. Then wipe them down. Dust your baseboards with a microfiber cloth. Then clean them with an appropriate cleaning solution. Dust your window blinds using your vacuum's brush attachment, or wipe each individual slat with a microfiber cloth. If they look especially dirty, plan a thorough deep clean. Rinse your vacuum's filter if possible. Plan to deep clean the entire machine once yearly. Dust ceiling fans and air vents. Deep clean any hardwood flooring. Don't forget your house plants. They need leaf dusting about once monthly to absorb everything they need for healthy growth. You don't need any special tools. Just use a clean microfiber cloth, either dry or slightly dampened with water. Your plants will look much better. Bathroom-specific tasks. Clean mirrors and fixtures thoroughly. Spray cleaning solution onto your cloth instead of directly on the mirror to prevent spotting. Launder your shower curtain and liner if they're machine washable, which most are. If you need to clean them by hand, try using an enzyme-based stain remover. Kitchen-specific tasks. Scrub the stovetop, including those sticky burner grates. Scrub cabinet doors and appliance fronts using a microfiber cloth with warm, soapy water. Empty and disinfect all waste baskets. Remove odors from the dishwasher by running an empty cycle. With just a bowl of distilled white vinegar on the top rack, clean the filter while you're at it and wash the door rack and gasket. 2. Dust and clean the top of your refrigerator if it's exposed. Thoroughly clean the inside of your garbage can, including the lid. Living room tasks. Vacuum your couch and other upholstered furniture. Use the right attachment and remove cushions to capture every crumb. Keep an eye out for loose change while you're at it. Laundry room tasks. Deep clean your washing machine, paying special attention to the gasket. Always leave the door open between cycles to prevent mildew growth. Share this video with friends who could use these monthly cleaning reminders. It really helps the channel grow and reach more people who need these tips. Point 4. Tasks every 3 to 6 months. Like the monthly tasks, these benefit from calendar scheduling. Even if you just put a rough date around 3 to 6 months from your last deep clean, having it on your calendar helps. You can adjust the date as it approaches to fit your schedule better. Your quarterly task list. Deep clean window blinds using a microfiber cloth, special vacuum attachment, or one of many available specialty products. Clean and condition any leather and wood furniture. Deep clean all carpets and area rugs. Polish stainless steel appliances until they shine. Clean and descale your coffee maker. Launder throw pillow covers and fluff the inserts. 5. Tasks every 6 to 12 months. Let's be honest. Deep cleaning these areas once or twice yearly represents quite an undertaking, and probably isn't something you look forward to. But once you finish these tasks, you'll feel so accomplished. Nobody enjoys a greasy range hood or a disorganized pantry. Just imagine how good it'll feel to complete these tasks and not worry about them. For another 6 months to a year, your biannual task list. Deep clean your oven thoroughly. You might need to do this more frequently depending on usage, and always handle spot cleaning as needed. Clean the range hood at the same time and tackle the toaster oven. To empty and clean all cabinet and pantry shelves. Vacuum or dust the refrigerator's condenser coils. Vacuum all mattresses using the upholstery attachment. Spot treat stains if necessary. Comment below and let me know which of these twice yearly tasks you dread most. I might make a detailed video about it. 6. Seasonal deep cleaning. These are smart to add to your calendar and tackle at the start of each season, helping you enter each new time of year with your home in excellent condition. Spring cleaning. Disconnect your dryer and use the hose attachment on your vacuum to remove accumulated lint from the vent and clean it thoroughly. Clean windows on the outside. This time, consider hiring someone for second-story windows or the entire job if needed. Summer tasks: deep clean your outdoor grill. Start by shutting off the propane tank. Carefully disconnect the gas tubes and burner. Then follow proper cleaning steps. Sweep and power wash your deck, patio, and driveway. Scrub any mold off unpainted siding using a bleach and water mixture with a stiff bristled brush. Clean outdoor furniture and wipe down cushions using a soft bristled brush. Store cushions inside when you're not using them. Fall preparation: schedule an HVAC system checkup. Have a technician visit to ensure everything works properly before cold weather arrives. Remember, filters should be changed at least once every season. Complete yard cleanup and pick up any fallen sticks. Organize the garage by dusting, sweeping, vacuuming, and organizing all equipment. Clean out your medicine supply. Cold and flu season approaches, and you don't want expired medications taking up space. Remember that makeup and toiletries also have expiration dates. Winter maintenance: remove fireplace ash regularly. Schedule a yearly inspection by a chimney sweep to keep the flue clear and safe. Shake out and wipe down boot trays or shoe racks. Have area rugs professionally cleaned unless they're washable. Pull out large appliances and furniture to clean behind and underneath them. So there you have it, dear, your complete blueprint for year-round home maintenance. The real magic of this system is its power to transform those huge, overwhelming chores into small, achievable steps. Because you're consistently staying on top of things, you'll never have to face a massive, intimidating cleaning project that eats up an entire weekend again. If you found this breakdown helpful, please do 3 things. Hit that like button and share it with a friend who needs a better cleaning system. Also, let me know in the comments below which task, daily, monthly, or seasonal, are you going to start with today. I love seeing how you implement these smart strategies. And if you want more practical advice delivered straight to you, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Always remember this: a consistently tidy home doesn't demand all your time. It just requires a smart schedule and efficient effort. I'll see you in the next video. And happy cleaning!